Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making pirate playthings. The supplies we need for this craft are black crayon, scissors, a pipe cleaner, white paper, glue, some treasures, and an egg carton. First, we're going to start with the hat. We're going to cut the white paper into a pirate hat, and I already did mine. And it looks like this, and then we're going to cut 2 strips of white paper. They're right here. And then we're going to take the black crayon and we're going to color it. And I colored mine all black, so make sure you color the strips. And then we're going to put something in the middle. I chose to put just X's. You can put anything else you want, and we're going to just glue those. And then we're going to take the strips and we're going to glue them, and you may only need 1 strip. Just put it down at the bottom, and I'm going to turn mine over so I can. I need 2 strips, so I'm going to add the second strip. And then just fold it around to connect it. And then we'll put that off to the side and let it dry. And then we're going to make our treasure chest. We're going to take our egg carton, and I made mine this size. You can make it bigger or smaller. And I'm going to take the pipe cleaner and cut it to just go on the top part. Just hold it down for a minute. And it might take a little while to dry. And I'm going to put one on the other side. And hold it down. And then you're gonna get some different type of treasures to put in the box. It can be something you already have at the house. Bend it a little. Don't think the pipe cleaner is going to stay on right now, so I'll put the treasures in first, and then we'll give that a little more glue. I just put these little things that I had around my desk, and I'm going to shut it and put some more glue on. Just put it on there and hold it. It's gonna take a little while to dry, so you're just gonna have to hold it for a little while, but it will stay once you hold it for a little bit. Let me get the pirate hat while I'm waiting for that. And these are our pirate playthings. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.